Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You'll begin by confirming the Chromecast is powered and visible on your TV. Once done, place the remote nearby and insert fresh batteries. Pairing works best within a few feet. Open the Google Home app or follow the on-screen pairing prompt that appears after a reboot. You need to grant Bluetooth and location permissions on your phone if asked. This lets the device discover the remote and start the secure pairing handshake required for button mapping and voice setup. You press and hold the home button until the LED blinks. This puts the remote into pairing mode so Chromecast can detect it. When the TV shows the remote name, tap that device in the Google Home app or on-screen prompt to pair. Make sure to follow the sequence for language selection and voice match if prompted, because those settings personalize commands. After successful connection, the app confirms and tests basic buttons. Press volume and home to verify full control. Finish by verifying every button and voice command works. Test volume, navigation, and Google Assistant. If pairing fails, reboot the Chromecast by unplugging power for 10 seconds, then retry the pairing sequence. This clears temporary Bluetooth issues. If problems persist, remove the remote from the Google Home device list and re-add it, or replace batteries and attempt again. As a final step, try pairing another known good, remote, to determine if the original remote's hardware is at fault.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.